Hello everyone, welcome back and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I will show you some signs to replace iPhone battery immediately. After 500 cycles, your battery will only have 80% on its original capacity. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Number 1. If your iPhone turns itself off. If your iPhone suddenly shut down itself, maybe it's time to replace a battery, but before replacing, you have to use these simple steps. Number 1. Use your iPhone until it shut down itself due to battery. Then plug your iPhone into a reliable charger and let it charge uninterruptedly to 100%. Number 3. Force restart your iPhone. To force restart iPhone, quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, then press side button until Apple logo appears. And if you are using old iPhone, then press home button and the power button at the same time until Apple logo appears. After these simple steps, if you're still facing the same issue, then you have to replace the battery immediately. The second sign to replace the iPhone battery, your iPhone works but only when it's plugged in. You might think your iPhone completely dead, but when you plug in into a charge, it's back to life. So it's time to replace the iPhone battery. Sign number 3. If you notice that your iPhone get hot, mean really hot, then first thing that you will have to do, remove the iPhone case and then put on charge. If it gets really hot, then it's mean you have to replace the battery. The fourth sign is very clear. Physical damage. If you see your iPhone case is little bit high or iPhone get little bit fatty, maybe the battery is physically damaged and you have to replace immediately because sometimes it breaks the screen and also the iPhone case. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.